Welcome to New Car Latest Update. Today we bring you an exclusive and detailed look at the 2025 Toyota Motorhome Camper van, a perfect blend of innovation, comfort and practicality for all your travel adventures. Let's explore this remarkable vehicle in detail. The front view of the 2025 Toyota Motorhome Camper van exudes modernity and functionality. The wide grille with a chrome-accented finish gives the camper van a bold presence, while the sleek LED headlights and daytime running lights provide excellent visibility and a stylish look. The front bumper features integrated fog lamps and air vents for enhanced cooling and aerodynamics. The raised hood design adds to its robust appearance, signaling its readiness for long journeys on any terrain. Backside. Moving to the back, the camper van continues to impress with its thoughtful design. The rear features vertically stacked LED taillights that ensure visibility even in low light conditions. The large rear door is designed for easy access to the spacious cargo and living area. A sturdy rear bumper with integrated steps provides convenience for loading and unloading. A backup camera is seamlessly integrated into the design, ensuring safety during parking or reversing. The clean lines and Toyota branding emphasize the modern aesthetic of this camper van. Interior view. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a luxurious and functional interior tailored for travel and leisure. The living area features plush, adjustable seating that easily transforms into a bed for overnight stays. High-quality materials such as soft-touch fabrics and polished wood accents create a cozy yet sophisticated ambience. The kitchenette comes equipped with a compact refrigerator, a 2-burner stove, a microwave, and ample storage cabinets. The dinette area is spacious enough for 4, and can also convert into additional sleeping space. The bathroom includes a compact shower, a toilet, and a sink, offering all the essentials for on-the-go living. Advanced climate control ensures comfort in all weather conditions, while smart technology integrates lighting, temperature, and entertainment systems into a single touchscreen panel. The right view highlights the practicality and aerodynamic design of the camper van. The sleek body lines flow effortlessly from front to back, reducing drag and improving fuel efficiency. The large sliding door on the side provides easy access to the interior, while the retractable awning offers shade for outdoor activities. The robust alloy wheels and all-terrain tires ensure stability and performance, whether you're on the highway or exploring off-road trails. Lift view. On the left side, the design emphasizes functionality and utility. Multiple lockable storage compartments are seamlessly integrated into the side panels, allowing for secure storage of camping gear and personal belongings. The side mirrors are equipped with blind spot monitoring and integrated turn signals for added safety. The clean design is complemented by the subtle Toyota logo and a striped detail running along the length of the vehicle, adding a touch of style to its rugged personality. The 2025 Toyota Motorhome Camper van is designed to redefine travel experiences. From its commanding front view to the meticulously designed interior and practical side profiles, this camper van is your ultimate companion for exploring the open road. With comfort, convenience, and cutting-edge technology, it promises an unforgettable journey. Thank you for tuning in to New Car Latest Update. Stay connected for more in-depth vehicle reviews, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates in the automotive world.